Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few projects that I created using the Alina Cutle dies that I shared with you, I believe last week. I'm going to jump right on in and share with you the dies that I use, and then I'll show you what I created with them. So I had hauled this super cute little kitty, this stamp set right here for Halloween, really fun set. This super cute Christmas stocking, which I absolutely love. And then this stamp right here looks like this, and this die set that coordinates with it. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna show you my little Halloween project first. I created this pillow box using that stamp set. So basically what I did was I took a piece of white cardstock and I stamped out the image from the stamp a bunch of times along with the little bat stamp, and I created my own pattern paper using the stamps. And then I used a pillow box die from my stash and created the super cute pillow box. I did stamp out Happy Halloween. I did use some Versamark inks and some white embossing powder. The little cute little cat is from Target that I had just recently picked up, that little sticker. It's popped up on some dimensionals. And then I used this really pretty ribbon that I picked up from Michael's. It's been in my Halloween stash for a while, and I think that came out super cute. So now I have an adorable treat box ready to go for my boo baskets for Halloween. And I have another little sign that I also created. So I've got another one. I can make another treat box. So really fun, and I had a lot of fun stamping. I do want to say I did stamp and then I embossed it. So that it wouldn't be messy and it would just dry faster. So that's what I did. So it is embossed. So it has a little bit of shine to it. So super cute. Love that. And then here is what I made using the Christmas stamps. I'll move this out of the way and just zoom in a little bit. But here is a really pretty Christmas tag that I created. I stamped out the image and then I layered it with the layered it with the additional stamp that it comes with that you can coordinate with this little Christmas bulb. So I have pink and then red on this one. And then this is a little twisted. I did die cut and the Magical Christmas. So it comes with the base and then the actual words, which is really, really pretty. And then I used my favorite bow die right there. That's the small one. Added some tulle and some white and silver twine to the top. And I used a die from my stash to create the actual tag, which is really, really pretty. And I really like the way that this Christmas tag came out, really pretty. So I have a Christmas tag ready to go for Christmas. And then I also have some Christmas cards that I made using the stamp set. So this is my first Christmas card that I made, and the card base I used a die from my stash, but the ornaments are created using from the stamp set and the coordinating dies that go with it. So I was able to die cut out the bulbs, and then it actually does die cut out a little hole, so you can actually add string to it if you wanted to. What I decided to do was add this little tinsel that was in my stash. I just thought it was pretty, and it kind of went with the colors of this collection that I used. And then I stamped out "We Wish You," and it says "A Magical Christmas." And again, I die cut out the Magical Christmas. And I think it came out so, so pretty. Love the way that this card looks. And then I finished off the card like this on the inside, in case you're wondering. And I just used the dies, the piece that came out of the center of the front. And I just used it like that, and I'll be able to write my little sentiment on the inside. So really, really pretty. And the next card that I created looks like this. And I absolutely love the way that this one came out as well. This is where I used the cute little stocking die, and what I did for this one is I die cut it out. It does come with that little layering piece, so I used some silver foil paper that I had picked up, I believe from Michael's. I had these really tiny jingle bells in my stash, and I just glued them on, and I just thought that was a fun dimensional thing to do to add to the card, or it actually would be super cute for an embellishment as well, but I decided to create a card. I did use fun foam on this layer of this stocking just to give it some dimension so it'd pop off the page. And then this one is just flat. And I used some other dies from my stash to create the card. This is actually a plastic snowflake that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year. And then this word right here is it's a wood piece that I had picked up, I believe, from Target Dollar Spot. And I think it's so cute. I love the way that this card came out as well. Really cute stocking. And then on the inside of the card, I finished it off with more dies, the same die set that I used to create the card base. And then I stamped out Jingle Bells, which also comes with the stamp set. So super, super cute. And again, I'm ready to go with a Christmas card and a tag, a coordinating tag. So really, really pretty. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you the project that I used using the kitty cats. So here is the black glitter cats down here. And I used some dies from my stash to create the card base. It actually could be a wall hanging, or if you have one of the card bases, you could like set it up like this on your desk, or just sit it in the Happy Mail and include a card base so that the person that you give it to can stand it up. But I really like the way that this came out. This is another die from my stash. I think that came out really pretty. This is a chipboard piece from Tuesday morning that I picked up, and then I just layered this die, and then right down here I have the little kitty cats, and I think that came out really cute. I just added some the purple bow that I used on my treat box. It was out, so I just decided to add it to this little card. And then the back looks like this. I used another die from my stash to create the little spider web embellishment, and then I stamped out Happy Halloween, which is from that stamp set that I showed you. So really fun stamp sets and coordinating die sets, and I'm really happy with the projects that I created. I think they're super cute. Please, of course, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and remember to check the description box for more information on today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.